Alexandra Cooper. Alexandra Cooper, popular as Father Cooper, is an American famous YouTuber, podcast host, Instagram star, and social media celebrity. She is best known as the host and creator of lifestyle podcast title Call Her Daddy. She is also known for sharing fashion lifestyle videos and vlogs on an eponymous YouTube channel. How old is Alexandra Cooper? She is 27 years old as of now in 2021. Alexandra Cooper's height is about 5 feet 7 inches and her weight is approximately 59 kilograms. Alexandra Cooper's net worth as of now in 2021 is considered to be more than $1.9 million. The source of her earnings are blogging, podcast hosting, brand endorsements, sponsorship, and different business ventures. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest update.